Hello traders, thank you for tuning in. Today's video, it's a continuation from the previous video where I spoke of impulse and corrections, stating that the market only moves in two ways. For a quick recap, I stated that the market only moves in two ways. The market can only either be impulsing or correcting, and after the correction we expect the next impulse. This is the case of a bearish move, and the case of a bullish move, the market can only either be impulsing or be correcting. Okay. On the last video, I stated that we have two types of corrections. We have a continuation correction and a reversal correction. Okay, an example of a continuation correction is what you saw earlier, which is something like this. This is a continuation correction, and after this correction we expecting price to continue to the downside. You see, you have an impulse followed by a correction, and after the correction is completed we are expecting another impulse to the downside. And for the bullish move, we have an impulse. After the impulse, we are expecting a continuation, which is mostly a flag. And after the correction is over, we are expecting to cash this move all the way up. So these are continuations corrections. You will mostly see them in a flag form because this is a flag. Okay, you will have a wedge, you will have but mostly you will see flags like so. Okay, impulse, correction, continuation, or impulse, correction, continuation. Okay, then for a reversal correction you will have something like so. Let's take for a bearish move reversing for a bullish move. Okay, you have something like so, impulse. Now instead of this correction going all the way up, you have something like so, coming all the way down. This is a reversal correction. Price then reverse from this move. Okay, you have something like so. Okay, then for a bullish move reverse to a bearish move, you have something like so, price coming all the way down. Oh, sorry, let me quickly you have something like so, price going all the way up. Instead of having this correction for a continuation, rather the correction it's more to the upside, something like so. And after which we're expecting price to push the downside. Okay, yes, these are reversal corrections. Okay, let me take you guys to the chart and let's do some live examples. GBP AUD. On GBP AUD, okay, these are reversal corrections, as you can see. Okay, notice price coming all the way down. It's an impulse. We have an impulse. Instead of an impulse followed by a correction for a continuation, as we saw earlier, what do we have here? We have an impulse followed by a correction pointing all the way down. This is a reversal correction. This is more of a descending channel. Okay, then after the correction, what do we see? We have a reversal from this move all the way up. We have an impulse up opposite from this bearish move here. So this is our reversal structure. Again, price was coming all the way down bearishly, impulsively. Instead of giving us a continuation correction here, what did it give us? It gave us a correction going all the way down, similar to this, which is also a reversal correction. That is why we have this move going all the way up. Okay, that's why we have this move pushing all the way up. Here again we have what? An impulse followed by a correction. Normally, if we were to continue to put going all the way up, we expecting an impulse followed by a correction, and after the correction we're expecting a continuation. But what did we get here? We got an impulse. The correction was more to the upside, so this is more of a rising wedge, which is a reversal correction. Hence, that is why we had this push all the way down, though it didn't commit, because after this impulse we were expecting a continuation correction to the downside, but we didn't have it. Price push all the way up, but this is a reversal correction. That's why we had this push all the way down, trying to reverse this price, this bullish price. Okay, let's check. This is another one. Price push all the way down, then it was price push all the way down. Then what are we having here? Instead of a correction to downside, we're having price pushing up, giving us a reversal correction. By so doing, pushing price all the way down. Okay, same thing here. Price was pushing all the way up, but in this case, is more of an ascending channel, and ascending channels are very, very powerful reversal structures. They are very powerful, and this is what you will mostly see on your daily chart, on your day-to-day chart, on every financial market, be it crypto, be it stocks, be it currencies. You will mostly see ascending channels. Okay, and once you see this, be expecting price to reverse. This is more of an ascending channel. Okay, once you see that, we're expecting price to reverse to the downside. And I think, as you can see, we've already had our break, an impulse down, breaking out of this reversal correction. So what we are expecting now probably is a continuation correction to take our sell to the downside, probably. Again, it is not certain, that's why I use the word probably, but normally we are expecting something like so, to push this price all the way down. Okay, so this is the case of a reversal correction. You see, ascending channel, price broke out of it impulsively, so we are expecting price to push all the way down. If we have a continuation correction with like a flag, then we will be selling this market. Okay, now let's move to the continuation corrections. Okay, here we have our continuation corrections. It will be more on 1 hour. The reason we stay on H4 for the reversal, because reversals for our reversal corrections we stick to H4. Then for our execution time frame, it's more on 1 hour. That's why the flag, the continuation corrections are on 1 hour. Okay. This is, see there. Notice price push all the way down. After an impulse, what are we expecting? Normally a correction. Had it been we had something like impulse, this is a correction for a continuation. But if we had this correction coming all the way down, this would have rather been a reversal correction to push price all the way up. Okay, but what we had was a flag for a continuation. Again, impulse, continuation, correction, then we push all the way down. Impulse, continuation, correction, we push all the way down. This is a reversal correction, but though we are focusing on continuation, so that's why I didn't mark it. But this is a reversal correction. That is why you see when price pushed all the way down, it gave us this structure here, as you can see. That's why we had this price push all the way up. Okay, but we are talking of continuation corrections. So okay, let me remove that. Okay, after the reversal correction, what do we have? We have an impulse pushing all the way up, followed by a correction. Entry here, stop loss below, and we hold. Another opportunity, impulse, correction, breakout, entry here, stop loss below, price pushed up, again impulse, correction, and so forth and so on. Okay, price reversed, came down, have an impulse down, followed by a continuation correction to the downside. Price did this thing and reverse, pushing all the way up, have an impulse followed by a correction. As you can see that, impulse, correction, impulse. Okay, and same thing here, impulse, correction, and continuation. Okay, now what are we currently having? We are currently having price drop all the way up, created some movement structures here, and we have an impulse followed by a continuation. That's why we are having this move all the way down, probably targeting this low here, targeting this low here, impulse, correction, and impulse. Okay, so yes guys, that will be the video for today. Today's video was a follow-up on the previous video where we spoke of impulse and correction. So this video is more of to give light on the type of correction we have, the reversal correction and the continuation corrections. Okay, on the next video I'll be focusing now on the types of correction. Let's say for reversal correction, the types of reversal corrections, the descending channel, or the falling wedge, and or the flag and triangle and all those things. Okay, so I hope this video shed some light, and if you want to know more on this kind of trading, please hit the Telegram channel, or you contact me directly via my email address, and we will take it from there. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and see you on the next video.